Friends, welcome to SOLIDWORKS Design Technology. Today we are going to design a complete body of hair dryer by using the different scales and surfaces. Don't forget the pressing of subscribe button for further upcoming tutorials. Thank you. Select new file and go into reference geometry. Inside plane, select front plane for reference. Provide 75 mm dimension. Flip offside and press green check. Again go into reference geometry, insert plane, provide 50 mm dimension, flip offside, press green check. Again insert plane, flip offside and press green check. Take sketch on front plane, select circle. Again select circle. Provide 40 mm diameter to this circle. Select center line. Draw here a center line. Select trim entities. Press green check. Exit from sketch. Now take sketch on first plane. Select circle. Draw here a circle. Provide 60 mm diameter to this circle. Now select center line. Draw here a center line. Select trim entities. Remove this half circle. Press green check. Exit from sketch. Now take sketch on second plane. And provide 70 mm diameter. Press green check and draw here a center line. Select trim entities. Remove this half circle. Press green check. Exit from sketch. Now take sketch on this third plane. Select circle. Draw here a circle and provide 50 mm diameter to this circle. Select center line. Draw here a center line. Select trim entities. Remove this half circle and exit from sketch. Top plane for further sketching. And draw here a 3-point arc. Select this point of arc and press fix button. Also select and provide it 125 mm dimension. Now again select 3-point arc. Draw here a arc. Select this point of arc and press fix button. Also select this point and press fix button. Provide 85 mm dimension. And select this point of arc and press fix button for making the sketch fully defined. Now select line. Draw here a line. Select this point of line and press fix button. Now exit from sketch. Again, take sketch on top plane. Draw here a 3-point arc. Select this point of arc and press fix button. Again, select this point and press fix button. Provide 125 mm dimension. Again, select 3-point arc. Draw here a 3-point arc. Select this point of arc and press fix button. Again, select this point of arc and press fix button. Provide 85 mm dimension to this arc. And now select line. Draw here a line between these 2 points. Select this point of line and press fix button for making the sketch fully defined. Now exit from sketch and select Lofted Surface. Remove this selection. Select profiles. And now select guide curves. Select this curve and this curve. Press green check. Take sketch on this plane and select circle. Provide 50 mm diameter to this circle. Select line. Draw here a line. Now select trim entities. Remove this half circle. Press green check. Exit from sketch. Now select filled surface and press green check. Now go into reference geometry and insert plane. Select right plane for reference and provide 100 mm dimension. Flip. Now take sketch on this new plane. Select center line. Draw here a center line. Provide required dimension to this center line, 15 mm. Now select line. Provide 5 mm angle, 5 degree angle, and again select smart dimension tool and provide 10 mm. Select line. Draw here a line. Provide dimension to this line, 25 mm. Now select center line. Draw here a center line. Select mirror entities. Select this line, about, and press green check. Now exit from sketch. Take sketch on right plane. Select line. and draw here a sketch. Select Smart Dimension tool. Provide 8.5 mm dimension and provide here your required dimension of 17 mm. Here 3.5 mm dimension. Press green check and exit from sketch. Now go into Lofted Surface. Select profiles. Press green check. Now select trim surfaces. Remove this selection. Select these all surfaces. And now again select all those surfaces which we want to trimmed. Press green check. Now hide these are again take sketch. Here select this entity and convert it, and also convert this entity. Select this and convert it also. Select line. Draw here a line. Exit from sketch. Fill surface. Press green check. Now hide all these planes. Now go into top plane for sketching. Select ellipse. Draw here 3 different ellipse. And also here. Now select Smart Dimension tool. Provide 16 mm and provide your required dimension to this ellipse and 7 mm here. Now select these all points of ellipse and create vertical relation for making the fully defined. Now again select these points of ellipse and create vertical relation. Now provide it dimensions. And here also provide third dimension to make it fully defined. Provide this distance. Now again select these points and create vertical relation. Smart dimension. Provide all required dimension to this ellipse for making it fully defined. And provide this distance. Press green check. Now go into surfaces, extrude surface, provide dimension and press green check. Now select trim surfaces. Remove the selection, select all the surfaces. Now select all those surfaces which we want to trimmed, and select remove the selection and select this surface and this surface, press green check. And now insert plane, select top plane for reference and provide 35 mm dimension. Again, reference geometry, insert plane, provide dimension and flip offside. Again, edit the dimension and provide 4 mm, press green check. Now take sketch on plane 5 and select center line, draw here a center line. Now select ellipse, draw here a ellipse. Now provide all required dimension to this newly drawn ellipse. And provide here also dimension. Now provide the distance from origin to make it fully defined. And press normal, edit these dimensions and 27 and edit this dimension to 50 mm. Now exit from sketch, again select project curves, select the face and press green check. Now again take sketch on plane 6. Select center line, draw here a center line. Now again select ellipse, draw here a ellipse. Provide the dimension to this ellipse
for making it fully defined. And provide this dimension 119 mm. Now exit from sketch, select Lofted Surface and select profiles. Press green check. Hide all these two planes and now trim surfaces. Select all these surfaces and now select all those surfaces which we want to trim. Select the surface and press green check. Now select planar surface, select this surface and press green check. Now take sketch on this surface, press normal, select center line, draw here a center line. Now select center rectangle, draw here different rectangles. And fourth rectangle here. Select, remove this line and select Smart Dimension tool. Provide 119 mm dimension and 119 here, 119 to all these rectangles. And provide 1.5 mm dimension here, 1.5 mm dimension here, and 3 mm dimension here, 3 mm dimension here, and 35 mm here, and 35 mm also here. And again select Smart Dimension, provide 3 mm dimension here, 3 mm here, and 20 mm here. Provide 3 mm dimension here, 3 mm here, and 20 mm here. Now select 3-point arc. Draw here a 3-point arc. Again select 3-point arc. And draw here a 3-point arc. Draw 3-point arc on the all faces of these rectangles. And also draw a arc here. Press green check, extrude, select, provide dimension and select these lines which we want to extrude. Select all these lines of our rectangles. These are lines. And press green check. Now select trim surface. Remove this selection and again select all surfaces. Select these remaining faces also. Now select those surfaces which we want to trim from the object. Press green check. Now select knit surface and select all the surfaces for knitting purpose. These faces also. And these all surfaces. Press green check. Now select fillet. Provide 4 and select all these edges. This edge also. And these remaining edges. Press green check. Again select fillet. Provide 9 dimension and select this edge. Press green check. Now open Lofted Surface and hide this project curve. Now go into appearance. Select plastic. Select plastic high gloss and from here select your desired appearance. Thank you for watching the tutorial and don't forget the pressing of subscribe button for further upcomings.